Well, hello, and welcome to another episode of It's What Cats Will Do. Imagine a world where your cat becomes the star of the show. Each episode dives into the imaginative and often bizarre behavior of cats that will leave you chuckling and saying, well, I never thought they'd do that. Get ready for scenes of mischief where cats try to stealthily sneak up on their favorite toy, only to be utterly thwarted by their own clumsiness. Yes. It's these unexpected moments that make every cat unique, and It's What Cats Will Do perfectly captures that spirit. Or maybe you've seen them engage in a full-fledged dance routine just to catch a sunbeam. With a combination of heartwarming and laugh-out-loud moments, the show masterfully highlights the extraordinary lengths cats will go to indulge their curiosity and instincts. Now that's funny. Okay, we will be back with some kittens that just feel the need to be loved, after a word from our sponsors. Well, welcome back. Now, after looking at these cats, it's plain to see that they were born to be entertainers. It's not just about the cats. It's about the bond we share with them and the joy they bring into our lives. With each episode, you'll find yourself nodding along, reminiscing about the antics of your own fur ball, and saying, wow, that's exactly what my cat would do. Let's embrace the wild and whimsical world of our feline companions, because in the end, it's all about the laughter and love they bring to our homes. So, gather your friends, grab some popcorn, and prepare for a roller coaster of laughter with It's What Cats Will Do.